Hey guys, this is Saurabh. Welcome to Python Project YouTube channel. In this channel, you got many interesting Python projects as a beginner. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before going to start making Python project, we have to know what is Python module. Python module is nothing but bunch of code libraries, and a module allow you to logically organize your code. It means you can create your own module and use it in any other Python program using import method. So we are going to create our own Python module. Let's take one example. So first we are going to open our ideal environment. I'm going to open my PyCharm and create our Python file. Let's take one name, example example.py, and we are going to create using function. So def, you can give it name as I'm going to give it name as print function, and give it one parameter as a para, and print hello, and this is comma, and call it as para, return the statement. So this is done our Python module. This is the module. We can create our own module. So let's learn how can we call our Python module. You can use any Python source file as import module, executing an import statement in some other Python source file. It means you can create your own Python module and call it any other function by import method. So let's take one example, and going to open my PyCharm and new Python file. Let's take example as calling, named as calling.py, and importing our module example. And now you can define function that module as our example dot print para, and you can give it anything named that you want to print. I'm going to print as chipmunk. So this is done our program using import method, and we are calling our example module. So let's print this statement, and here is our output. So that's it for this tutorial. We are going to learn interesting project in next videos. I hope you all are enjoyed this session. Thank you so much.